안녕하세요.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Hangul Company. Hangul is a very logical and easy to learn writing system, and mastering the consonants is the first big step. Think of each consonant as a building block for a syllable. You'll combine them with vowels later to form complete words. Today, we're starting with the first 5 Hangul consonants. Important note for beginners: giyeok is the name of the consonant, like saying A or B in English. You use this when learning or spelling letters. Kuku is the sound the letter makes in a word, like the actual G or K sound. Example ka, go. Think of it this way: the letter has a name giyeok and a sound ku. Both are important when reading or writing Hangul. Let's learn. Number 1.
기역, 기역, 그, 그.
A soft k sound like in go or a k sound at the end of a syllable. The shape represents the back of your tongue touching the palate. When giyeok is at the end of a syllable, it makes a short, stopped k sound. The sound is not strongly released like in English. Example: pa, cut off softly at the end. Imagine closing your mouth for k but not letting out extra air. Example with the vowel a, this forms k, pronounced ga.
가.
Number 2.
니은, 느.
A soft n sound like in no. The shape represents your tongue touching the roof of your mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms n, pronounced na.
나.
Number 3.
미음, 무.
And m sound like in mom. The shape represents a closed mouth. Example with the vowel a, this forms m, pronounced ma.
마.
Number 4.
시옷, 스.
And s sound like in sun. The shape represents the side of your mouth or a tooth. Example with the vowel a, this forms s, pronounced sa.
사.
Number 5.
ieung.
This is a special consonant. It has no sound at the beginning of a syllable, it's a placeholder. At the end of a syllable, it sounds like ing, like in sing. Analogy: the shape represents your throat. Example with the vowel a, this forms a, pronounced a as in a.
아.
Practice time. Write each consonant with a and read aloud.
가, 나, 마, 사, 아.
Great job! You've learned the 5 foundation consonants. Next time, we'll cover the 9 remaining ones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.